Hi everyone, welcome back. This video is about how you can apply for a Portugal job search visa without having a job offer. So let's get started. First of all, what are the benefits of this job search visa? Well, the very first benefit is you can enter into Portugal and search for a job without having a job offer earlier. The second, you can stay in Portugal up to 180 days while looking for a job. The third, you can travel within the Schengen area without any restriction during your stay. And you can also apply for a residence permit in Portugal if you find a job that meets minimum salary requirements and social security requirements. And definitely you will enjoy the high quality of life, culture and the climate of the Portugal. So now let's discuss about what are the requirements for Portugal job search visa. So the first one is you must be a non European Union national. You must have a valid passport and you must have a clean criminal record from your country of origin. You must have a sufficient financial resources to support yourself during your stay in Portugal, and this amount is around 2000 euros. You should have to show the bank statement for this much amount of money. You must have a health insurance that covers medical expenses in case of emergency in Portugal. You must have a return ticket. So these are the requirements to apply for this job search visa. Now let's discuss about the documents which are required. So the very first document is a complete national visa application form. You can download it from the link that I am leaving in the description of this video. You will need a passport size photo, your original passport and a photocopy, and a request of a criminal record inquiry by the Portuguese Immigration and Border Services called SEF. You can also download this form from the link in the description of this video. But if you are under 16-year-old, you will not need this form. Other than that, you will need a travel insurance that covers medical expenses up to 30,000 euro. You will need a copy of return ticket and a proof of financial resources that I earlier mentioned, around 2000 euros bank statement, and finally a CV that highlights your education, skills and work experience. It must be written in Portuguese or in English. Other than that, a motivation letter will also be required that explains why you want to work and live in Portugal. So these are the required documents to apply for this visa. Now let's have a look step-by-step guide to apply. Step 1. Contact the embassy or consulate and book an appointment for your visa application. You can do this by phone, email or online depending on the availability of each option in your country. Step 2. Prepare your visa application package very well according to the checklist provided by the embassy. Make sure that all your documents are original and certified, or they are translated into Portuguese or in English by an official translator if needed. The step 3 is attend your visa application appointment at the embassy or consulate on time, and you have to pay 75 euro visa fee. It could be in cash or by card, and you have to submit your biometric data, fingerprints and photo. Step 4, you have to wait for the decision on your visa application. The processing time may vary depending on embassy or consulate and also case to case, but usually it takes between 15 to 30 days. The step 5, you have to collect your passport and the visa from the embassy or consulate, or have it delivered to your address by the courier if available. Check your visa details and validity very carefully and report if there is some error to the embassy or the consulate immediately. That's all for today's video. I hope you like this video, and if you find this video fruitful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video to your friends. Until next video, take care. Bye bye.